Hello again, and welcome to our ongoing series of videos introducing Anritsu's vector signal analysis software. We're going to spend a little more time on Playback, a couple more features that we'd like to show. For this one, I'm going to use a file that I captured earlier. This is the US FM broadcast band, so we can look at that. So it's a 20 megahertz capture. I've got 4 seconds of data, and you can see the peaks that are my FM radio stations. One of the things that I want to show is we have a peak finding mode. When I go into there, it brings up this little threshold line, and I can drag that up and down, and everywhere that crosses a peak, I get. And it creates a peak table, so I can look at the width and the bandwidth. So I know that each of these is a radio station, and I would like to listen to those. So so this one didn't get selected, so I can add a peak there. I can add one here. Some of these are lower. If I drag the line 2 down, then it gets below the noise. Then the noise floor isn't very level here. So I have these peaks. Now, one of the things that I know is that my FM signals all have I have this aligned peak positions, and I want to align this so that all of them are to the 100 kilohertz level, because that's the spacing. And in fact, this one here is I know this. So in the US, all of these should be an odd number, and so I'm just gonna I want to shift this one down a little bit, and I have some help that'll pop up to shift the frequency. I can use shift in the mouse wheel. So I'm gonna kind of move that down so that the rest of those look pretty good. Okay, so I have some peaks defined here, and the thing I want to do then is extract FM audio. So I'm going to do that. This is going to go through this entire data set, 20 megahertz. There's a dozen or more different radio stations, different signals in here, and it's going to try and extract all of them separately from a single capture. And it'll take it about 60 seconds to accomplish that, and then we'll be able to just select each one individually and listen to it. So this is kind of a nice thing. This can be automated. You can do captures of entire bands, and then go back later and decide you want to see what was on these different signals. Should be just about done here. Okay, looking like we're about there. Okay, so it's found signals at these frequencies and power levels. I can select on any one of these, and it highlights which signal it is. So let's start with this one's got decent power, so I'll just double click that. So you can see. Now this one, I probably should have. Yep. So I should have moved that one down. 96.2 it's really 96.1, and I knew that. So now this one's really low power. It comes through. So it's a pretty powerful tool that allows me to just come in and once there, I can save the selected channel to a WAV file, or I can save all of them if I want to. I can just select that, and it will create a separate WAV file for each of the radio stations that we had defined, the peaks that we defined and did. So that is sort of a quick overview of how we can do certain things. We can find peaks and extract information from a wide bandwidth signal. Thank you.